Get back to the markets now. Homegrown, domestic-focused pharma and consumer health company Mankind Pharma is hitting the markets with a pure offer for sale worth 4,000 crore rupees next week. Rajeev Juneja, who's the Vice Chairman and Managing Director of Mankind Pharma, the company which is the manufacturer of brands such as Manforce, Prega News, Unwanted 72, all of that, talks to CNBC TV 18 about the interest seen in the roadshow to the growth drivers as well as margin pressures that the industry is facing. Listen in, we'll come back.
Traveled 45 days, met every possible big foreign institute, domestic mutual funds, insurance people. So everywhere, they have really, welcomed us very, very warmly, and hope you people will also do the same thing.
In terms of your business, 97% sales come from the domestic market. Exports is just about 3 to 4%. You don't have much of a presence in, a mother market like the US. Is that going to be the growth trajectory going forward, domestic markets and a little presence in in other markets such as the US?
Right from beginning, if you look at Mankind, we have always been a very focused company. Always worked on our own strengths rather than on weaknesses. For example, if you go for export and we don't have some entry barrier in our products, some patents, some difficult to make products, some complex product. So for one or 2 years, we can have some profits. That would be all tactical. The philosophy of Mankind is always long term. And that's one reason only 3% export is there. So we don't really see ourselves much in export. We'll always be in India-centric. If you look at Mankind, we are a 27 years old company. We launched Delhi in 2004. We launched Mumbai side 20 years back. So we have slowly and gradually evolved. Philosophy of Mankind has always been not going and covering the market, going in a market and making a mark is our basically philosophy. So once we go in any place, whether it's a consumer side, look at our consumer division. Manforce condom, #1. Not only #1, it commands 30% market share. Look at Prega News, again #1, pregnancy cards for the ladies. Again, 80% market share. Unwanted 72, emergency contraceptive pills. Sure. Again, 60% plus. Thought is always some kind of a leadership should be there.
Just on that point, consumer healthcare is another segment which a lot of people are interested in. It's only around 8 to 10% of your total sales. What is the kind of growth trajectory and investments that we can see in that space?
We are binded by this regulatory, so I'll just not go in any kind of a speculation. But we see, we have look at the past. We've always grown very good in consumer side, and we hope to do the same in future. Let's hope.
That's an interesting conversation, and we'll play more of it a little later on the program. Deepan is still with us. Deepan.